Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Malaysia Investment. If you are new to our channel and if you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, click the bell notification and smack the like button so that you will not miss out all our upcoming great videos, okay? Especially this Klse series, right? Okay guys, today we're going to cover 4 stock today, right, from Klse. Firstly, we're going to cover Hartalega, alright? Then we will cover the second glove stock, Supermax. Then after that, we will cover a construction company called Gamuda. And then finally, we're going to cover Asia because we know that Malaysia is opening up the economy soon. So let's look at the price action of Asia later, alright? So let's go. So first thing first, let's look at Hartalega. So guys, I have actually plotted the 50 days moving average, 150 days moving average, and also the 200 days moving average. So you can look at here the blue, the green, and the red color respectively. Okay, so this is the price action. So you can see since 2020 of July 29, something like that. The price of Hartalega has been actually keep on going down. So even you can see currently the share price of Hartalega is actually at the downtrend because you can see the 50 days moving average, right? The blue color is below the 150 days moving average, the green color, and it's also below the 200 days moving average. So it's actually still at a confirmed downtrend. So this is actually a 1-day chart, right? So 1-day chart you can see is still on a confirmed downtrend. If you look at the Heikin Aishi, if you look at the price trend right now, every time you want to hit the resistance, it will bounce back, hit resistance. This is like a false breakout from the resistance. Then it go down back again, try to go up, then it go down again. Now it try to go up again, right? But actually it's not successful so-called because you can see it's actually come back to the red candle. It's not a green candle anymore, right? So this is actually a 1-day chart. What about a 5-minute chart, right? If you look at a 5-minute chart, this is a Heikin Aishi. Actually, in the day chart, you can see it's it fluctuate all the way to 6 ringgit 85 cents, something like that. Then after that, he jumped back up to 7 ringgit. Alright, so this is actually the 5-minute chart. But let's look at the 1-day chart again, and then let's look at the momentum, guys. So if you want to look at the momentum, you can actually plot the MACD. Okay. So let's look at MACD. So if you look at the MACD, zoom in, so it's actually, you can see it's actually still at the negative side, but actually you can see it's picking up a little bit of momentum, but it's not so strong. Okay, so so that is it. Hartalega is actually still on a confirmed downtrend. So we need to continue to wait whether the share price will go up above 50 days moving average. And for us to go long, for those that are investing for the long term, you need to see the blue is above the green and the green is above the red, so that we follow the trend of going bullish, right? So now there is no bullish sign yet. Okay, so that's Hartalega, still on the downtrend. Alright, so that's Hartalega. What about Supermax? Okay, so I have also plotted the Supermax. So this is a Heikin Aishi Supermax. So you can see, do you observe that Supermax and also Hartalega both are the glove stock? And you can see the price action is almost the same, right? So there's a breakout here, and then they go all the way, test, not successful because this is a resistance. Then go down back again, and then then it's actually going sideways already, right? So this is a Heikin Aishi. If you plot the normal candle, you can see, right, here the price is almost like a resistance. Okay, so it's almost like a resistance, so it's actually already at the resistance. So it's hitting the resistance, sorry, not the resistance, hitting the support here, right? Support here is 3 ringgit and 10 cents for Supermax. So we need to observe whether it will bounce upon the support or not, right? But again, you can still see that the price of Supermax is still on a confirmed downtrend. What about the MACD? What about the momentum of Supermax? So you can see it's still on the negative side, so momentum is not so strong yet, but you can see it seems like it's trying to pick up a little bit of momentum, but again it's not so strong. So that is a Supermax. Again, it's confirmed downtrend. If you look at Heikin Aishi, whenever how I make decision is that I only buy when I only go long when there's a green candles, right? So now I don't really see any green candles, therefore I will not enter into a bullish entry here. So that is Supermax. What about Gamuda? Okay, so Gamuda is a very interesting stock. It's actually a property development stock. So let's look at the 1-day chart here. The 1-day chart, let's look at the normal candle first, right? So the normal candle, so you can see the 50 days is actually still blue, and then you can see since July last year it's actually quite good. It's going through a sideways, but until May of this year, it's actually start to go down again, right? It start to crash again. So and then because of that, the 50 days moving average cut across the 150 days in about May, and it crossed below the 200 days moving average, meaning to say the blue color cut across the red color, right? And then after that it continued to go down, and then after that you can also see about here about July, right? Earlier of July, the green color also cut below the 200 days moving average. So this is actually very bad, okay, because this is actually a confirmed downtrend already. And then you can see the tree line also continue to slope down, so this is actually not very good. And then you look at the Heikin Aishi, so red, bearish, go sideways, not successful, not even going to touch the resistance here, then it continue to go down. So basically no strong buying for Gamuda. So basically it's continue to be bearish. What about the MACD? Let's look at the momentum of Gamuda. So you can see Gamuda is basically very bearish, so there's no positive momentum at all. Alright, so there is Gamuda. So not recommended to add any Gamuda if you're planning to go long, right? So next one, and our final one, will be Asia. So Asia is a little bit interesting here. You can see, right? Obviously during 2018 it hit all the way high to 2.80 ringgit. What about long? Okay, then after that it will keep on going down, especially during here, right? During 2020 it crashed all the way to 51 cents, 51 cents, something like that. Then it already back, then after that go back again to this 51 cents, because it seems that 51 cents is the support. Then after that, right, since then in end of 2020 November, actually it start to gap up here. You can see here gap up. Then after that it continued to try to push up, then go down again, right, up the way all the way to 1 ringgit 27 cents, then go back down again, 80 cents. There's a very volatile here, right? Very volatile here, 20% down. Then after that it tried to go sideways, and then because of this, right, there's no strong momentum of the price. So you can see that the blue color, which is a 50 days moving average, right? 50 days moving average already cut below the 150 days again. So this is very bad. And then you can see the 50 days moving average also start to slope down, right? And then the share price, you can also see the share price is also below the 50 days. In fact, it go below the 200 days moving average. So it seems like this is a sideways. There's no strong trend, right? Strong trend, in fact, it's a sideways trend. And if this price continue to goes on, probably all these are moving average of 50 days moving average and also 150 days moving average can be dragged down below also. But one thing to observe here is that the 200 days moving average, which is a long-term trend, is still actually sloping up, right? So we need to continue to observe. If the price continue to be flat, there's a potential everything will be flat, and then there's no strong trend, right? And then it can potentially go down as well. Right, let's look at MACD for the momentum, and you can see momentum also started to go negative already since June, right? Since June. Okay, so guys, this is the price action for Asia. Has been crushing all the way down, then start to go up a little bit. Now it's in the it's going sideways. So we need to continue to observe. There's no strong bullish trend yet. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today. If you have not subscribed, again, please click the subscribe button, smack the bell notification, and also smack the like button so that you will not miss out any of our future video. Is there any video about a KLSE stock that you wanted us to cover, let us know in the comment below. Okay, so till then, stay safe and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.